welcome dear student of class 7. I hope that you are all fine and my all prayers always with you. Today's our topic is noun and its kinds. Noun and its kind. Let's begin our lesson now. Okay. In this lesson we will learn about noun and its different kinds of noun. There are in English, and we will also look at some rules to keep in mind when using them. Okay. First of all, we will talk about noun. So, first noun. Okay. What is noun? I am sure that you know answer to this noun. Answer to this question. What is noun? No. Okay, no problem. I am with you and I will tell you what is noun. Noun is a just name of, look, noun is a just name of a person, place, thing, animal, feeling, or ideas. Okay, look and listen to me carefully. Noun is a just name of a person, place, thing, animal, feeling or ideas. बेटा listen, noun सिर्फ नालो आए, के शे, के जाए, के मानव, के जानवर या एहसासन या ख्यालन जो सिर्फ नालो आए, just a name of, noun is a just name of a person, place, thing, animal, feeling or idea. Okay. For example, look at the board. For example, Laiba likes to go to the market and buy the beautiful clothes. Look beta, Laiba likes to go to the market and buy the beautiful clothes. Now, noun is a just name of a person, place, thing, animal, feeling or ideas. Suppose for example, Laiba likes to go to the market and buy the beautiful clothes. हाणे listen बाबा चे तो Laiba पसंद करे थी मार्केट वञण ऐं कुछ खूबसूरत लटा या कपड़ा खरीद कर. Now Laiba is the name of person, okay, and a market name of place, cloth is name of things. So all names All of these name, person, place, thing, animals are all physical. Means now look, all of these means all of these person, place, animal are physical. Physical, that means we can see them and we can touch them. That means we can see them and we can touch them. Okay, now I will repeat again. Noun is a just name of a person, place, thing, animal and feelings or ideas. Now, Laiba likes to go to the market and buy the beautiful clothes. All of these means person, place, thing, animal or physical. What? Physical. Means that means we can see them and we can touch them. We can see them and we can touch them. So I think, do you understand? Now, okay. Now, okay, let's now talk about five different kinds of noun. Okay, look. First, common noun, right? Second, proper noun, okay. Third, collective noun, okay. Now fourth, material noun, okay. Now fifth, abstract noun. Look, 5 different kinds of noun. 5 different kinds of noun. First, common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. So let's now talk about common and a proper noun. Common and a proper noun. First, common noun. Do you know common noun? No. It's okay, no problem. I will tell you. Common noun is a noun, general noun. Common noun is a general name of person, place, thing or an animal. Means a common noun is a general name. Common noun is a general name and a general name of person, place, thing or animal. Beta. General name means name of person, place, thing or an animal, that's it. And second, proper noun. Okay, proper noun is a name of given to be a proper noun is a name of given to be a specific individual name. Proper noun, okay. Proper noun is a given is a name of given to be a specific individual या or name of particular things. Name of now beta, proper noun is a name of given to be a specific individual. Yeah, proper noun is the name of particular person, place, things, animals. Right? Now I will repeat again. Noun is a just name of a person, place, thing. Noun is a just name of person, place, thing, animal, feeling or idea. For example, Laiba likes to go to the market and buy these beautiful clothes. Laiba, market, name of Laiba, name of person, market, name of place, and clothes, name of thing. Okay. All of these means person, place, things are all physical. That means we can see them and we can touch them. Okay. 5 different kinds of noun. First common noun, second proper noun, third collective noun, fourth material noun, and fifth abstract noun. Okay. Now difference between common and proper noun. Common noun is a general name of person, place, thing, animal. Right? And proper noun is the name of given to be a specific individual. Yeah. Or proper noun is the name of particular or proper person, place, things or an animal. Now difference between common and proper noun. Common noun. Now proper noun. Suppose girl means girl, only girl, chokri. Which girl? I don't know, yeah, we don't know. Suppose Rumesa, girl, common noun, girl, any girl. Rumesa, particular name, specific name, individual name. Okay. So Ramesha is a proper noun. Now suppose city. City proper common noun. Which city? We don't know. Okay. Now Karachi. Karachi is a specific city. So Karachi is a proper noun. Okay, right. And country. Country means milk. Common noun. We don't know which country. Okay. So now Pakistan. A specific name. So Pakistan is a proper noun. Right. So difference between common and proper noun. Common noun is a general name of person, place, thing, animal, right? And common noun given to be a specific individual name, right? Proper noun is the name of particular things, proper things. Okay. Now let's now talk about collective noun. Right. Number third kind of noun, collective noun. Collective noun. Collective. Okay. Collective means something like collection, something like collection. Collective noun means something like collection. Collective noun is the name of collection of given group of person, place, things, animals. Okay. Suppose for example, which example? You know? No. Don't worry. Army, right? Other staff, team, public, crowd. Many more examples of collective noun. Okay. Staff यानी कि वही employers work in offices, called employer. Staff, we work in a office, we call staff. Army is army. Team, group of players are called team. Okay. Let's now talk about material noun. Material noun is the name of minerals and agricultural things. Name of minerals and agricultural things. Minerals mean medniyat. Agricultural means those things we means zarai. For example, okay, example minerals coal, gold, rice, wheat, etc. beta. Okay, now let's now talk about fifth last kind of noun. Abstract noun. Abstract noun. Abstract noun is the name do not have a physical existence. Abstract noun don't have physical existence means those things which we cannot see or we cannot touch them. Abstract noun is the name of qualities. Abstract noun is the name of qualities. We cannot see them and touch them. Abstract noun is the name of qualities. Abstract noun is the name of quality words we can't see them and we cannot touch, only feel. Abstract noun is the name of quality which we cannot see them and we cannot touch them, only feel it. Only feel it. Okay. Suppose, for example, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy here. It is a very popular proverb in English. It is very popular proverb in English. I am sure that you can hear of the proverb, right? No? Okay, no problem. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty and policy are both abstract noun. Why? And only honesty and policy is emotion or feelings because we cannot touch or see them, only feel it, right beta? So honesty and policy are both abstract noun. In this sentence, honesty and policy are both abstract noun. Why? Because we cannot see them because we cannot see them and touch them, only feel it. Okay, and on one point, all proper nouns we will retain capital letters. All proper nouns we will retain capital letters. Okay, means and also days and month names we will retain first letter capitalized, right? Suppose Sunday, we will write this way, not a Sunday, means this wrong and this is right. Means all proper nouns we will write first letter capital, right? Okay, means 5 noun and its kinds finish. Today our topic noun and its kinds are finished. Page number 9, look at nouns are names of things. Nouns are names of things. Some nouns are said to be common nouns. Boy, town, school, they are spelled with a small letter. But when we thinking of one special thing or person, you have already learned common and proper nouns and difference between. So now, but when we are thinking of one special thing or person, we spell it with a capital letter. Okay, Hamid Shah, the Jinnah Girls High School, Karachi, these are called proper nouns. Which of these nouns should begin with a capital letters? Proper nouns. Now exercise number B, you will find. Now page number and also collect when, book, treasure, island, money, which word letter capitalized you will write on. Now number B, when a noun stands for a group of things, it is called a collective noun. Okay, add suitable collective nouns to these phrases. A dash of footballers, team of footballers, you know, so you will on write. Okay, now number exercise C, nouns like beauty, fear, joy, health, player are said to be abstract noun, right? Give the abstract nouns formed from these words. Means said, noun, sadness, abstract noun, hate, nafrat, hateness, abstract noun. Now, page number 10, exercise number D. Some nouns change when they are used in the feminine form. Feminine. Beta gender. Gender means genes. 4 genders. Masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Right? So inshallah I will teach you tomorrow gender and its kinds. Okay? Now page number 12, lesson 3. Inshallah we will read this lesson tomorrow. Also I will teach you gender and its kinds and lesson number 3. So wish you best of luck and thank you so much. Inshallah I will meet you tomorrow.